Hi guys, thank you for your support of the last video. In last video, I given the simple trick to remember the elements of periodic table. Now I am going to give a simple trick to remember mass number of the elements, which atomic number up to 30. Here I prepared a simple trick to remember the mass number of elements. Generally, the mass number of elements is mass number or atomic weight of the element is it is the sum of number of protons and number of neutrons. Generally, in our books we have mass number is number of protons plus number of neutrons. Here I prepared three types of tricks. I prepared three types of tricks here to remember the atomic number and mass number, to remember the mass number of the elements. The tricks are just multiply that atomic number with 2. Multiply that atomic number with 2. Atomic number is multiplied with the 2. Here it is one even type of atomic numbers and odd number of atomic numbers, and third one is for d block elements. For d block elements also just all the elements multiply with the 2 only. For all the numbers multiply with the 2. Here for even no need to add anything, but here odd numbers multiply that atomic number with 2, multiply that atomic number with 2 and add 1 here, for the odd numbers. For d block elements, here I classify the elements into 3 types. I'll explain that. Here we have to add 3, 4 and 5. I'll show which elements we have to add this 3, 4 and 5. I'll explain in d block elements. Right here, first I'll explain up to 1 to 20 elements. Here the trick is for even atomic number, for all the elements just multiply that atomic number with the 2. For odd, add 1. For d block elements, either 3 or 4 or 5 you have to add. Right? Next, here hydrogen, first element is hydrogen. Next, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Here atomic number of hydrogen is 1, helium is 2, lithium is 3, beryllium is 4, boron is 5, carbon is 6, nitrogen is 7, oxygen is 8, fluorine is 9, neon is 10. Next, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium and calcium. Here sodium atomic number is 11, magnesium is 12, aluminum 13, silicon 14, phosphorus 15, sulfur 16, chlorine 17, argon 18, potassium is 19, calcium is 20, Ca, that is calcium is 20. Right here, what I say, for odd numbers add one more here. For even numbers no need to add, just multiply that atomic number is with 2. It is exception for hydrogen. For even atomic number into 2, for odd atomic number into 2 plus 1. For odd atomic number into 2 plus 1. Here it is exception for hydrogen. Hydrogen is exception in all properties also. Not only in atomic number and mass number, in all its physical and chemical properties also it is exception. So here atomic number is 1. For hydrogen mass number is also 1. Hydrogen atomic number is 1, mass number is also 1. Next, for helium, atomic number is 2. This 2 multiply with the 2, so it is 4. So helium mass number is 4. For lithium, atomic number is 3. 3 2 is 6. It is odd. 3 means odd. So here we have to add one more here, plus 1, that is 7. So lithium mass number is 7. Atomic number is 3, mass number is 7. Beryllium is exception. Beryllium and nitrogen is has little exception here. I'll explain it after completion of these 20 elements. Next, boron, atomic number is 5. So 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. It is odd. Odd means add one more here. 1, so it is 11. So boron atomic mass number is 11. Atomic number is 5, mass number is 11. For carbon, atomic number is 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. So atomic number is 6, mass number is 12. Next for nitrogen. Nitrogen, beryllium has little exception, I said. I'll explain it. Next for oxygen, E8, atomic number is 8. E8 2s are 16. E8 2s are 16. So mass number of here even, mass atomic number is even. So no need to add 1. Here mass number is 16. Mass number of oxygen is 16. For fluorine, atomic number is 9. So 9 2s are 18. Plus it is odd number, it is odd atomic number, so add one more here, so it is 19. 18 plus 1, 19. So mass number of fluorine is 19. Atomic number is 9, mass number is 19. For neon, atomic number is 10. So 10 2s are 20. It is even, no need to add anything, so mass number of neon is 10. Next beryllium and nitrogen lo chusam. Idi odd, even. Beryllium atomic number is even 4. Even annappudu no need to add anything. Here it is odd. Here we have to add 1 here. అయితే ఏంటి అంటే బెరీలియంకి ఈవెన్ అయినా here we have to add 1 here. Even it is nitrogen is odd, but here no need to add 1. Nitrogen odd అయినా ఒకటి యాడ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. బెరీలియం ఈవెన్ అయినా ఒకటి యాడ్ చేయాలి. సో atomic number is 4. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, that is 9. So mass number of beryllium is 9. Nitrogen, atomic number is 7. 7 2s are 14. ఈవెన్ అయినా దీనికి యాడ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఆర్ అయినా దీనికి యాడ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఈవెన్ అయినా ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈవెన్ అండ్ ఆల్సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు యాడ్ 1 హియర్. బెరీలియంకి నైట్రోజన్కి చిన్న ఎక్సెప్షన్ అని చెప్పాను కదా అది. నెక్స్ట్ ఫర్ సోడియం, అటామిక్ నెంబర్ ఇస్ 11. 11 2s are 22. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆడ్ అంటే we have to add 1 more here, 1. So 23. So mass number is 23. For sodium, mass number is 23. Magnesium, atomic number is 12. 12 2s are 24. It is even, so no need to add anything. So 24. For aluminum, 13. 13 2s are 26. So it is odd. Add 1 more here, plus 1. So it is 27. So aluminum it is 27. Mass number is 27. Atomic number 39. Mass number is 27. Next silicon, 14. 14 2s are 28. So mass number of silicon is 28. Mass number of silicon is 28. For phosphorus, atomic number is 15. 15 into 2, that is 30. It is 15 is odd. Add 1 more here, that is 31. Mass number of phosphorus is 31. Next sulfur, 16. 16 2s are 32. 16 2s are 32. So mass number of sulfur is 32. It is even. That's why no need to add anything. Just 16 2s are 32. Next, chlorine. Chlorine atomic number is 17. 17 2s are 34. It is odd. Here we have to add 1. Odd kabatti okati add cheyali. Add 0.5 also. Add 1.5. So it is a 35.5. Mass number of chlorine is 35.5. Here this argon is also having little exception here. This argon atomic number is 18. 18 2s are 36. 18 2s are 36. But argon ki మాత్రమే 4 యాడ్ చేయాలండి. Only for argon here we have to add 4. 36 plus 4, that is 40. Mass number of argon is 40. Mass number of argon is 40. Next potassium, atomic number is 19. 19 2s are 38. So it is odd. Odd kabatti odd it is. That's why we have to add 1 here. So 38 plus 1, 39, that is 39. Next for calcium, atomic number is 20. Calcium kenda atomic number 20. 20 2s are 40. Even kabatti mass number is no need to add anything, 40. Here 39. Argon is a 40. Chlorine is 35.5. So it is the trick to remember the mass number of elements up to 20. 21 to 30 I'll explain there. So trick ఏంటి అంటే just multiply atomic with number with the 2. 2తో multiply చేస్తున్నాం. For add atomic numbers add 1. Even numbers no need to add anything. Right? So it is trick for the elements up to atomic number 20. Next trick to remember the mass number of elements. Trick to remember the mass number of elements up to atomic number from 21 to 30. Atomic number from 21 to 30. Here I said I classify the elements into 3 types. 3 types గా classify చేశా అని చెప్పాను. D block elements లో 3D series, only 3D series I classify into 3 types. First one name is a scanning. First name is a scanning. For scanning it requires 3 rupees. For scanning it requires 3 rupees. I'll write it 3 here. For tea and coffee. For tea and coffee. Tea. Coffee. Instead of coffee, here I write coffee. CR. Coffee. For tea coffee, it is 4 rupees. For tea coffee, it is 4 rupees. CR it is. Next, remaining elements are 5 rupees. Remaining elements are 5 rupees. Scanning which is 3 rupees. Tea coffee is 4 rupees. Remaining elements are 5 rupees. So here, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, that is ferrum, next cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Here scandium is 21, titanium is 22, vanadium is 23, chromium is 24, manganese is 25, iron is 26, cobalt 27, nickel 28, copper 29, zinc 30. These are the atomic numbers. So in scanning we have 2 elements. One is scandium, second one is nickel. Scandium undi, nickel undi. For this we have to add 3. Multiply that atomic number is with 2 and add 3. So atomic number is 21. 21 into 2, that is 42. Here for scanning we have to add 3. 45. Mass number of scandium is 45. Next, Ni, nickel. Nickel atomic number is 28. So here we have to add 3. So 28 into 2, that is 56. 56 plus 3. 59 here. So the scanning is completed. That scanning lo 2 elements, scandium and nickel is there. So scanning is completed. So I'll remove the scanning. Next, Tigraphy lo titanium, chromium and ferrous. Titanium is at 22nd. Atomic number is 22. So 22 twos are 44. To that we have to add 4. 48. Mass number of titanium is 48. Next, chromium is there at here. So 24 into 2, that is 48. 48 plus we have to add 4 to that. It is 52. The mass number of chromium is 52. Next, Fe. 26 into Fe, atomic number is 26. So 26 into 2, that is 52. To that 52 we have to add 4 plus 4. So it is 56. For iron, mass number is 56. So Tigraphy is also completed. Next we have remaining all the elements, multiply with the 2 and add 5. Remaining all the elements, multiply with the 2 and add 5. So vanadium atomic number is 23. 23 twos are 46 plus 5. That is 51. Mass number of vanadium is 51. For manganese, atomic number is 25. 25 twos are 50 plus add 5, that is 55. Manganese vachesi 55. For cobalt, atomic number is 27. 27 twos are 54. 27 twos are 54. To that we have to add more 5. That is 59. Cobalt mass number is 59. Why? Because atomic number is 27. 27 twos are 54. 54 to that 54 we have to add 5. That is 59. Next, copper. Atomic number is 29. 29 twos are 58. 58. To that 58 we have to add 5. That is 63. 63 that is. Next, zinc. Atomic number is 30. 30 twos are 60. Plus we have to add 5. So these are 65. So these are the mass numbers. For D block elements, that is 3D series, I divided these elements into 3 types. That is, first one is a scanning. Here the scanning value is, for the scanning value is 3 rupees. Scandium value is 3 rupees. Here we have two elements, that is scandium and nickel. So to that scandium and nickel we have to add 3. Next, second one is T-Crophy. Here we have 3 types of elements: titanium, chromium, ferrous. T-Crophy అని గుర్తుంచుకోండి. కాఫీని CR తో రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం. T-Crophy, its value is 4. Remaining elements is 5. Multiply that atomic number with the 2 and add 3. For scandium and nickel, add 3. For titanium, chromium, ferrous, multiply with the atomic number with the 2 and add 4. And remaining elements, multiply with the 2 and add 5. Here from 1 to 20, except hydrogen, then this classified into 2 types: even atomic numbers and odd atomic numbers. For even atomic numbers, just multiply that atomic number with the 2 only. I multiply that atomic number with the 2 only, no need to add anything. But odd atomic numbers, multiply with the 2 and add 1. For odd atomic numbers. Example, sodium ki తీసుకున్నట్లయితే sodium atomic number is 11. 11 2s are 22. Odd కాబట్టి it is odd, that's why we have to add one more here. So 23. 22 plus 1, 23. So mass number of sodium is 23. Magnesium atomic number is 12. It is even. 12 2s are 24.